Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to connect your iPhone with OBS Studio to have some HD images being streamed from your phone directly. Okay, it's going to be a very easy steps, and I'm going to put all the links for the softwares or any sorts of links which I'm using should be there in the description. Okay, so let's continue with that. So if suppose you want to do something like this. Okay, if you're seeing that I'm now streaming with my iPhone here and you can see the clarity. Okay, so what you can do is to do this, if you have OBS Studio already installed in your system. Okay, I have already done the configuration, but I'm going to show it to you now. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to just go to this link called as Video Ninja. Okay, so just search for Video Ninja. Okay, once you are there, okay, I'm just splitting my screen so that you can see left and right. Okay, click on there. Once you are there, you just need to go to this link called as Create Reusable Invite. Click there. Once you are there, you can just select type, like what type of configurations do you want. If you want the quality settings for the video, some user options, like you want to put some audio effects or video effects on your camera, you can select them. Okay, and then accordingly you can just click on generate link. So for example, I'm just selecting the allow audio effects to be used, and I'll click on the generate the invite link. Once the link is there, what you need to do is you need to just copy this link. Okay, uh, or what you can do is you can open your camera on your iPhone, scan this image. Once you scan this, you will be redirected to a link where you need to allow your camera to be turned on. Once your camera is turned on, you have to select start there on your phone. And so once you click on that start, okay, you will see that your video is being recorded from your camera. Okay, and now what you can do is just copy this link from there. Okay, go to plus, select browser, existing browser. You can just put iPhone webcam or something. Okay, and click on OK, and then just paste the browser link which you have there. Okay, once you click the link which you have there, okay, your video will automatically pop up. Okay, so I'm going to use this link because I already have created one. If you just click on OK, and then you will be seeing that it will automatically get loaded just like this. Now you can place the camera. Okay, and then also you can adjust the settings there. Okay, also I'll teach you another thing. If you want to put this round curves at the end of your camera, okay, you can do that as well. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to download something like this. Okay, I'll just show it to you quickly. If you just click on if you see these two things, right, you have to download something like this, these two images. Okay, which would be helpful for creating that type of effects. Okay, this type of effects. Okay, what you have to do in that case is whatever video capture option you have selected, like for example this one, so you have to go there, right click, filter, add add image mask blend, select OK, select the second one. Okay, then the path to that link. Okay, path to that web camera circle link. I'll attach this links on the in the description below. You can download it from there. Okay, so once you have this things downloaded anywhere, just select them and just click OK, and you will see something like that. As I've already added them, so you can see it from my filters here. Okay, so that's coming up as upside down because it's rotated by 90 degrees, but that's how it works. I hope that was helpful for you. uh, Please like, subscribe and share to my channel if you want to view content like this. Thank you so much.